the sitting.
Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestone Tynsong, today shared his thoughts on the concept of one nation, one election. He stated that although the matter has not officially come up for debate in either the Parliament or the State Assembly, he is open to commenting on it. Expressing his personal opinion, Tynsong emphasized the potential benefits of having a single election for the entire nation. He believes that such a move could lead to a significant time and cost saving, as well as more efficient allocation of manpower resources wherever needed. He pointed out that the frequent elections with the associated implementation of the Model Code of Conduct every 6 to 7 months can disrupt the overall development programs of both the central and the state governments. This disruption can impede progress and divert resources away from important projects.
If we have one election, one nation, I think we'll be able to save a lot of time. We will be able to save a lot of funds, and we'll be also able to save a lot of manpower where we need to. Ultimately, once you have election, you understand, even model code of conduct has to be implemented every 6 months or every 7 months, which ultimately it affects the overall developmental program of be it the central government or the state government.
In a show of solidarity and